Well, all right now, everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's another day in the wood yard here making some wood. Now, if you've been following the channel, you know I've been absolutely getting eaten alive by bugs out here. So I've decided to take the advice of the internet, and I tucked my pants into my socks now. And we're going to go ahead and double that up today with an extra layer of protection there and put a little duct tape on there on both sides, and that'll keep all the ticks and ants out of my ankles. So there we go. Now we got that done. I also have an undershirt on under here tucked in to keep the ants from crawling up my shirt. I had red dots all over my ankles, and I've had tick bites on my legs and on my body. So there we go with that now. And I am totes confused here today. I don't know what I'm going to do. I came out here, I was going to get some of this nice locust wood. It is kind of in a tough area in these weeds back here, but I'd love to have it now. And I want to make a chainsaw carving heart. So I originally came out here to get some of that locust wood. So what has happened is, and this is, I was wondering, it's been a week or so since I've been here before, since I've been out here. They have brought in at least two trailer loads of cherry and a load of oak and a bunch of this dead standing maple. So there's all this new good wood, and it's easier to get to, and it's better wood. Well, I don't know, locust is good, but that cherry is also good. Depends on what you're looking for. You want that straight up BTU, or do you want that good smelling cherry sweet stuff? You know what I'm saying? They're both really good woods. So I think I'm gonna have a change of plans today now, and I'll probably take a couple slices off of this locust and get something to make a heart out of, and make sure I have that around in case I want to do a chainsaw carving of a glow-in-the-dark locust heart. And then I'll probably just move over here and work on this cherry wood. So I think that's all I wanted to do on the introduction here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, do it up, all that good stuff. Leave comments, whatever you want to do there. So I'll just walk around and show you what we got here, show you this locust wood, and I think that's going to be the plan. I'll take a couple rounds home with me, and then we'll do the rest on this cherry and just do some bucking and splitting on the cherry. All right, so here we go now, back here to this locust. You got to come all back down through here in this cut, and I wanted to try to back my truck right up here to it, but it's just narrow enough here. They just dumped this damn wood here because I just cleared out a bunch of Bradford pear that was there. So they dumped a fresh load of that dead standing maple, which is good dry burning wood. I can buck that up later this fall and it'll be ready to go. But I can't fit my truck through right here with a log splitter backing it in anymore. So anyways, when you come back in here, there's just locusts all down through here. I mean, that's 1, 2, 3 locust logs right here. And then if you get up on them, we got more locust right here is locust. And then this log over here, that's locust going down there. And it leads to more locust over here. That's locust. Oh, I'm falling down here. That's locust. I peeled some of the bark off of it. The bark's just falling off of that. And then that's a nice locust log that's propped up, ready to be bucked up right there. So there's all this locust I wanted to get out of here, and it's in a bad area, but you know, you can see how far my truck is away. It's not great, but so what I think I'll do is I'll just probably take a few rounds off of that piece that's up in the air, see if I can't get some chainsaw heartwood. And then if we move on over here, that's the cherry pile. Whoa, that's one of the cherry piles right here. If you see that right there. And that's right by the road up there. So you can see that my truck is right here. If I turn around, there's the road and there's the cherry pile. So that's a lot easier to get to, and it's some good fresh wood. Hadn't been sitting on the ground. That's just a bunch of nice cherry. So there's all of that right there to pick through. A lot of smaller stuff too they brought me, and I'm sure they did that on purpose just for me. So I need to make sure I use that wood, since they probably took the time not to chip that and brought it to me, and now it's just sitting out here. But then here's look at this, another solid dump trailer load right there. I mean, there's probably about 2 cords of cherry here. I mean, it goes all down through there. That's cherry back there going horizontal the other way. So there's all this cherry, and then they also brought all this dead standing maple down here by my wood pile. It's all sitting out here. So anyways, I think that's going to be the plan. I'm going to go just take a couple rounds, make sure I have a Locust chainsaw heart, and then I guess I'm just going to have to buck up some cherry wood, deal with just making some cherry, which is cool. That's a good surprise for me. So let me go ahead and get some of this locust wood here. All right, now everybody, I'm going to go ahead and get this locust wood, and that's going to be the video for today, getting the locust wood for the glow-in-the-dark heart in the future. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get these 2 rounds, get 2 or 3 rounds out of here, and we'll call this a video. In the next video, you'll be seeing me working with some cherry wood. All right, when you tuck your pants in, you end up with a little more sawdust in the shoe, but better sawdust than ants and ticks, I would venture to say. All right, now that one's got a little knotted place on it. Probably not the end of the world. All right, now everybody, I got 2 pieces of wood to make a Locust chainsaw heart out of. I really think I could use either one of these. This one's got a little bit of a weird side to it, but I could come in from this way instead of that way. And this one right here is real straight grain, real nice. Not a problem there. So at least I got something to give it a shot at making a glow-in-the-dark locust heart. So you guys, thanks for watching now, and I want to move over here to this cherry wood. And when you come back here, the next few videos will probably be about making some good cherry firewood, some of that nice good burning wood. I'll see you guys later.